In this video, we look at the course content: Python installation, Python configuration with Selenium, introduction to Python shell, how to create a Python file, Python basics, numbers, list, tuples, dicts. Dicts is nothing but dictionaries. And we look at one IDE called PyCharm. So if you want PyCharm, you need to buy it from their official website. So I will update a link in article section. So please go through there. We look at one Python basic program, conditional statements and loop statements. So this cover all Python programming basics. So if you are good in this, so it will be very helpful for you. So if you go through with Python programming or if you come with Python Selenium testing. Now we look at Python Selenium scripts. First thing is Eclipse configuration with Python. So how can you configure Eclipse with Python? We look at first test script and second test script. How to take screenshots using Selenium Python. We look at Gmail example. We look at Facebook example. For this Facebook example, I had divided into 3 parts: navigating URLs, handling web page elements, how to open a new tab or new window inside a browser, handling 2 windows or switching 2 windows, action classes, cross-browser testing, robot framework. So first we look at how can you install robot framework in your machine. So for this also I will update some important points. So you need to remember while doing automation in robot framework. How to import Selenium library in RIDE, how to use scalar, how to use list variable, how to use dict variable, how to create your own user keyword in robot framework, how to create tags, and how can we execute test cases using the tags, how to use setup, how to use setup and tear down. That's it. This is my code. Showcase a few companies who is it. Python is easy to use, powerful and versatile, making it a great choice for beginners and experts alike. Python's readability makes it a great first programming language. It allows you to think like a programmer and not waste time understanding the mysterious syntax that other programming language can require. For instance, look at the following code: print hello in Java and print hello in Python. In Python, no syntax is required for small programs. Python is very easy to understand. That's it. You're going to show the course in next video. Hi there. Welcome back to the video. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to install Python in your PC. First, you need to navigate to python.org. After navigating to python.org, you need to select this Downloads tab. So once you have selected this Downloads tab, this is the latest version, this is the primary version. You need to download the latest version. So if you are using, apart from Windows, if you are using Linux, you can select this. If you are using Mac OS, you can select this. Apart from these 2 OS, if you are using any different other OS, you need to select this one. So in my PC, I had used Windows only, that's why I'm selecting this one, Python 3.64, and I had downloaded 2.714, and I had downloaded 3.4, and I had downloaded 3.64 also. So just go to run and type cmd. Yes. Here you need to click Python. Yes, you can see this. The latest version is 3.6.2. Yes, the latest version this one is. And once you downloaded this file, it is an executable file. I will show you in my downloads tab. I had already downloaded. take some time. Yes, this one. Once you download is finished, so it will open like this. Once you open this file, so click on next, next, next. That's it. After downloading this, run in command prompt, type Python. It will show which version you have installed. After this, you need to configure Selenium. Simply type the command pip install Selenium. Okay, pip exit, exit, pip install Selenium. Once you type this command, it will take some time. So already in my PC I had downloaded, I had configured Selenium 2. If not, Selenium packages will be installed in your local PC. That's it. Now you had downloaded Python and you had configured Selenium.